Cyclonic Super Vacuum today. This should be the kit that has the Cyclone 2 buckets, hose, casters, and everything listed there. Picked it up at our local Ace Hardware. It was $99. As you can see here, just going around the box. We're going to do the unboxing, and then we'll do a couple tests also once we get it all put together. So there's the model number. Made in USA. Alright, we'll go ahead and get this thing open and take a look at what's inside here. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing here. Pretty good staples. Alright, everything's in the buckets, I guess. Nothing else in the box.
Empty. Now we're...
Lid, flange.
Here.
Here's the actual Cyclone part, I guess. Stop. Don't know what that says.
Instructions. So, have this long pipe tube that probably goes right here. And we have the actual parts are inside, so somehow we have to get those out. Bolts. Oh, 2 buckets.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and go take a look at the instructions, get some tools, and then we'll be back to put this all together.
We'll be right back. So now we have gone outside so that we can build it and get all the tools. So let me put you on.
Okay, and here we have opened up our instruction manual. Just looking at the necessary tools.
Which are these?
I'm gonna go ahead and start to put this thing together.
One is for a vent, and the other is for the casters. Washer underneath, washer on top. Right in there, there's washers. So what the 14mm thin wrench is for. To get in between caster here, so we can tighten it up.
We went ahead and moved one of the casters. I should have read the directions all the way through before drilling the holes. The way the directions say to set up, it's not going to work with my shop vac. So I went ahead and moved one so it's a little more stable. I'm going to go ahead now and move on to assembling the actual Cyclone part. So the first step is going to be to put the gasket on. Woohoo! is just to hold it.
You have one bucket to hold it, and then one bucket.
That's pretty ridiculous, but oh well, that's what we got.
So then they're on, bottom one is on 3 wheels, which isn't too stable. And then there's 2 buckets right here. Then there's this part next to the dirt deputy, which has a hole that goes all the way down into the bucket, which has the metal tape lined with the just take a look. There's one bucket with wheels, one bucket with this on top, and they're like the Home Depot buckets. And we have our vacuum that came, the set came with a pipe tube that connects to the vacuum to where it has everything coming out, comes all the way out, and it'll connect right to this top, which will go to the bottom bucket.
We'll grab a screwdriver because this is going to go.
And we need one more tool.
This will basically go here.
With the vacuum.
You know, we don't even need to use this bottom bucket.
Yeah, that bucket just has wheels.
You can use it just like that.
And for nothing. This one doesn't have wheels, which it's not too heavy. And here's the full assembled masterpiece of the dirt deputy with our vacuum. Then we have
this hose clamp here is just going to secure this hose on there.
Which will go right here.
That goes there. You use your
vacuum.
Shop vac hose. Put one of these rings on there to help seal it up, I guess. I don't know what that does.
There's 2 of those. Then with the other end of the shop vac.
Alright, what we're going to do here, we got our shop vac plugged in.
We got our shop vac plugged in.
So this is before the dirt deputy. You can see this filter is
look how filthy that.
Completely plugged up. This was just from cutting a couple of speaker rings for a car audio install. So you can see
that thing is full of sawdust. Full of sawdust. It even has more on it. And since we have wind right now,
so we have a
new filter.
brand new nice clean filter we're gonna put on.
Sorry.
I'm gonna go ahead and dump this out.
We're gonna dump all the sawdust out. Even some unknown stuff in there. This hasn't been cleaned out in maybe a couple months. And the dirt deputy will clean it all up, all this mess up. So we have a look. Compare these 2. Now we have a clean vacuum with nothing in there. It's all out here and brand new filter compared to that filter, which now we are closed. And the dirt vac will clean a bunch of it. You want to hook this one up all the way to the vacuum. Then this one is going to get and vacuum all that stuff up.
Okay, so what it's supposed to do is the Cyclone here is going to drop all of the dust and material out, and should keep the inside of the vacuum cleaner clean. So we'll go ahead and fire this up and give it a shot.